Today we are doing an arms and abs unicorn workout with a booty band. I am using the Fit Body booty bands. These are these little tiny loop bands. It is the holidays when I am releasing this, so happy unicorn holidays. We are going to make this quick because you are probably busy and I want you to get your workouts in. So we're going to start today. It's going to be about an intermediate, quick abs and arms workout. Let's go ahead and lay back. My feet are about hip width distance apart. And I'm going to take the band and I'm going to place my hands inside of it really quick and just drop and lift my shoulders a few times, pressing into the tension of the band. And then I'm going to reach the band back over my core and my head, and I'm going to scoop it right to the underside of my skull. Come to a nice neutral spine so you can flatten an arch, and then scoop out your belly, crunch up, release, right? And crunch. So I'm just using the band as a little bit of help, and I'm trying to keep my elbows really wide. And one more time, hold it, raise a leg, and then switch, 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 switch. So the band should be kind of helping you with the resistance of your neck. Give me 4, 3, 2. Now hold one up, stay on the toes. You can rest the neck for a second, stretch and bend that leg. Take it up, up, up. Now hold it, pulse your chest up, up, up. For 4, 3, 2. Now twist towards the leg, twist and pulse, twist and pulse, twist and pulse. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Transition to the other side. So take the other leg, stretch and bend it a few times. Keep it right over your hip. Keep suctioning the belly in. 4, 3, 2, hold it up, pulse up, 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 breathe. Nice neutral back leg is straight up. Now twist and pulse, twist. So the leg and my hip stay still. I'm twisting from my waist. 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, go ahead and take the band down, and I am going to reach one leg into the band, and I'm going to reach my hand, the opposite hand of the up leg, back, and I'm going to attempt to lower and lift that leg. Lower, my other arm is bent. Now I'm going to release my head, crunch, release, crunch. Give me 6 more. They're not easy, especially if you're sitting in neutral spine. 5, 4. Other leg is staying up. You can modify by releasing it. And then just hold it. Pulse into the band. Into the band. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your neck. Slide the other foot in. Switch it to the other hand, the other leg suspends out. This elbow's a little bit bent. And I'm going to take the other hand behind the nape of my neck and I'm going to press against the band into that to lower that leg. And then I'm going to crunch as I lift the leg and release the neck as I lower. 6 more, guys. 6. I really feel this in my lower belly. Reaching away, up, away, up, away, up. Last one, bring it up, and now pulse into the back for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here, bring both feet into that band. I'm going to take my band around about the lower leg and open it, open, open. And now I'm going to go with a flat back position. And now open the band, take your head up and pulse. Pulse, pulse, pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last thing, we're gonna open and then twist to the opposite side. So long arm, stretch it out, and then press into just that leg as you pulse. Up, 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 up. Last 8, 7. Keep a nice flat back, abs are engaged. Really pressing into the band with just that leg that's moving. And then switch to the other side. So just this leg moves, right? Try to keep this leg still. Another pulse. Pulse that opposite hand. Reach for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Bring it on in. And take your feet on out. And we're gonna kneel. You can always double up your mat. And let's do a little bit of tricep work. So I'm gonna reach one arm up. I'm showing you the back view. And I'm gonna bring this back, so that's the position I'm in. And triceps, reach it up, bend, up, then reach it straight up and down and up, down. I really feel these 8, 7, 6, 5. Try to keep your spine tall. 4, 3, right? 2, and 1. So I'm gonna bring this back here, reach the band behind me, slide my hands into the band, and I'm just gonna stretch, hold it, keep tension on it. Now bend, stretch, bend, stretch. I really feel these, even though they don't look like a lot, for 5, and 4, 3, right, I'm bending and lifting, stretching it down, bending and lifting, and then hold it down and pulse out, 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 out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna switch it, take this arm back, and take the opposite arm up, right? So I'm in that cow face pose in yoga, and let's stretch it. Hopefully you're not pulling hair out of your head like I just did, and bend it. I'm keeping my elbow right above that shoulder, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and take a little bit of a stretch. Let's just do a really quick hip stretch. So you can keep that kind of doubled up knee. Loop the band around that back foot. And maybe just pull that leg in. Nice deep stretch. And use it a little deeper. And then you can unloop. So I tried to make it quick. Happy holidays. Happy unicorn. Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's, or whatever time of the year it is. Go ahead and take another stretch with the lunge position, looping the foot into the back foot into the band. Happy holidays. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see a specific video. Make sure you comment below and let me know what it is. Hit the website, and if you're looking for a trainer, also send me a comment or Jessi FIT Pilates at gmail.com. Take care.